Come test drive the 2017 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display, child safety locks, power windows, power steering. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.